Pain and suffering damages are always recoverable so long as you're not at fault. So the answer is unequivocally, yep, you sure can get pain and suffering damages. And then maybe the bigger question is, so what does that mean? Pain and suffering damages are how the injuries sustained in a collision, in a slip and fall, whatever the case may be, how they impact your life. But the short answer to the question is, unquestionably, you can get pain and suffering damages when somebody else hurts you and it's their fault. And then again, it gets to really, okay, how do we establish pain and suffering damages? And this might be too simple, but this is the one that I often go to the most. The things that I go to and the question I often ask my clients is this. So what are you most angry about from this crash? What makes you the most angry that you can't do X anymore? Tell me about that. And when you get to one, okay, what else are you upset you can't do anymore? Those are the things you're trying to get to. If you coach your kid's softball team and you can't do it anymore because somebody hurt you, it's going to make you pretty mad because that's what you did with your kid. Or if some people drive motorcycles, some people golf, some people fish. Those things are helpful, but getting to the ones that are what you love to do in life, and when you can't do that anymore, especially if it involves your family, your wife, your kids, other people that are important to you in your life like that, those are the ones that always, I think, hit the hardest, because what you want to get to the jury is you want to get them something. And again, no offense to the people that love golfing, because I know it's important to them. Those are always hard to get a lot of damages for, because normally jurors aren't too sympathetic. They kind of do we'll find something else. But, if you can't do things with your kids or your wife or that you used to do, those are much bigger hitters in my viewpoint. But those are the things that when you collect money from a jury, often are the ones that are the most elevated, because those are the ones where you say, it changed my life.